time for a daytime firework demo on the BBQ Rando Ranch in Pyro City, Arizona. And you can see here, we got, giant finger please, big fireworks, silver, salute, maximum load. All right. And here's a bag. Got 12 pieces of the firecrackers in the bag. And I got to tell you, I have a couple of bags. And I've lit off a bunch already. They're pretty loud. So this is a great purchase. And you guys know the old motto of Big's Fireworks. I mean, I don't think I invented it, but go big or go home, right? So I'm going to go ahead, take a few out. We're going to go over to the launch pad, daytime launch pad, the new double tier launch pad. And hey, let's check out a few. All right, you guys let me know what you think. All right, off to the launch pad. Okay, so BBQ Rando has a couple of these out, and you can see they're pretty good size, right? I tell you what, these are pretty decent. If you guys can get a hold of these, I would definitely buy a couple of bags. Look at this. They got a little bit of a punch, right? You're gonna wake up your neighbor if they're sleeping during the day. Or if they're trying to make an omelet, hey, they got to crack those eggs anyway, right? So, okay, we're going to head on over. We'll be right back. All right, here we go. Now, it's going to be pretty quick. Here we go. Oh. Oh, my God. All right, we're going to do one more. It is so quiet in the ranch community where BBQ Rando lives. Let's try another one. This is for Maria and Chad on Camel Country. Okay, hold on. Jeez.